Hello friends, how are you? Hope you guys are well. So today we are gonna talk about auto insurance. Why should you do the car auto insurance and why it's so important? I'll explain everything in this video. So watch the full video. Before I start the video, there is a request. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any interesting video like this. First of all, what is auto insurance? When you buy or lease a car, it's important to protect that investment. Getting auto insurance can offer insurance in case you are involved in an accident or the vehicle is stolen, vandalized, or damaged by a natural disaster. Instead of paying out of pocket or auto accidents, people pay annual premiums to auto insurance company. The company then pay all or most of the costs associated with an auto accident or other vehicle damage. Key takeaways. Car insurance is designed to protect you against financial losses if you are involved in an accident or other vehicle is damaged in some way. Most states require you to have minimum amounts of liability insurance coverage. Some also require you to have other coverage types such as uninsured motorist coverage. Premiums are what you pay monthly, biannually or yearly to maintain a car insurance policy, while the debits are amounts you to pay when you feel a claim. It's important to shop around for the best car insurance rates to find the right coverage for your vehicle at the right place. Number 2. What is car insurance? Car insurance is effectively a contract between yourself and an insurance company in which you agree to pay premiums in exchange for protect against financial losses stemming from an accident or other damage to the vehicle. Auto insurance can offer coverage for vehicle damages including your car or not other driver's vehicle, property damage or bodily injuries caused by an accident, medical bills and or other funeral expenses associated with the injuries sustained in an accident. The exact details of what's covered depend on the minimum coverage requirements for your state and any additional charges options you choose to include. Every state except New Hampshire requires drivers to have a minimum amount of body injury liability and coverage and property damage liability coverage. Another important thing, failing to obtain the minimum car insurance required by the laws in your state could result in a suspension of your license, fines or even jail time for repeat offenses. Number 3. Auto insurance cost. There are two primary costs associated with the purchasing car insurance. Auto insurance premiums are vary depending on age, gender, years of driving experience, accident and moving violation history, and other factors. Again, most states mandate a minimum amount of auto insurance. That minimum varies by state. But many people purchase additional insurance to protect themselves further. Additionally, if you are driving a car, the leader may stipulate that you carry certain type of car insurance. For instance, you may need gap insurance if you are purchasing an expensive vehicle that will likely depreciate very quickly once you drive it off the lot. Gap insurance can help to pay off the difference between the vehicle's value and what you still owe it if you are involved in an accident. A poor driving record or the desire for complete coverage will lead to higher premiums. However, you can reduce your premiums by agreeing to take on a more risk, which means increasing your debit. If your amount have to pay when you feeling calm before the insurance company will pay out of anything to you for damages. So, for example, your policy may have 500 or 1000 deductible dollar. Agreeing to a higher deductible can result in lower premium, but you would have to reasonably sure you could cover the high amount of if you need to file a claim. Number 4. How auto insurance work. In exchange for paying a premium, the insurance company agree to pay your losses as outlined in your policy. Policies are priced and individually to let you customize coverage amount of to suit your exact needs to a budget policy. Terms are usually 6 or 12-month time frames and are renewable. In an insurance will notify a customer when it's time to renew the policy and pay another premium, regardless of whether they mandate having a minimum amount of auto insurance. Nearly every state requires car owners to carry bodily injury liability, which covers costs associated with the injuries or death that you and or another driver causes while driving your car. They may also require property damages liability, which reimburses others for damage that you or any driver operating your car causes to another vehicle, other property. A number of states go a step further, mandating car owners carry medical payments or personal injuries protection, which reimburses medical expenses for injuries by you or your passengers. It will also cover lost wages and other related expenses. You when an accident caused by a driver who does not have auto insurance. Undesired motorist coverage is designed to protect you when you are involved in an accident with a driver who has some insurance but not enough to cover the full cost of a claim. There is a note. Getting a car insurance policy above the minimum limits set by state law may increase the cost of coverage, but it could benefit you later if you are involved in an accident. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand everything. See you in the next video. Good luck.